These are some really practical AI workflows for interior design that you need to try immediately. Last week, we shared a video on underrated AI workflows for architecture, and now we are back with more such practical workflows specifically for interior design. This is not one of those AI will replace architects kind of video, because honestly, great design was never about creating pretty images. What AI can do is kind of remove that repetitive friction in the design process. So these are some workflows that you can take and adapt immediately and start experimenting right out. As usual, we'll also be sharing the prompts that we'll be using so you can follow along easily. I'm Salwan, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. We'll be using Google AI Studio for this demonstration, and you can access it from aistudio.google.com. This platform has a pay-per-request feature, so you only pay for the tokens that you use. This feature can be really helpful if you're a beginner who doesn't want to get trapped in a monthly subscription that you might not really use. A few months ago, I was trying to render a CAD drawing with AI. It looked fine, but it did not feel like the design I had in my head. I kept retrying the AI renders, but it just wasn't there. The lighting kept changing, the material shifted, and nothing was consistent. That's when I realized the problem was not AI. The problem was that I did not have a system, not which AI tool to use, but how do you build a system that's actually repeatable and you can work across all your different projects. And this is what pushed us for the last few weeks to create the AI Visualization Mastery course for architects and interior designers. We went through a lot of your questions and comments on this channel, and we built workflows around that. This course covers exteriors, interiors, and master plans, how to create consistent lighting, materials, and mood across views, using AI not just to render, but actually as a design tool in ideation. There's also a PDF for this course with over 130 plus prompt combinations, so you don't really need to start anything from scratch. And this course is available in 20 plus languages. We already have 50 plus architects and designers in this course. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this course today. This technique can turn a simple floor plan into a fully rendered interior visualization in minutes. Let's try creating an interior render of this bedroom space based on the floor plan. To make this process easier, we will also need a mood board image that shows what the furniture and the theme of the space looks like. And before we actually jump into rendering this floor plan directly, if there are areas that you don't want to have in your render, just erase them in Photoshop, and we'll also need to draw an arrow to specifically help the AI figure out from where we're creating the view. Save this as your base image, create a new chat in Google AI Studio, and let's add both the floor plan as well as the mood board image. The prompt is to create an eye-level perspective rendering of the bedroom floor plan provided. We're asking it to follow the exact furniture arrangement and use the mood board as the reference. And apart from that, we're also describing what is happening on the floor plan, like the bed with side tables, an armchair after the bed, at the opposite right corner of the room, a chair with coffee table, TV unit and console units on the left wall, sliding window overlooking the balcony deck. If you provide these kind of descriptions, the output will be considerably of a higher quality. The aspect ratio can be 16:9 in a 2K resolution, and let's click run. There we have the result, and here we can see that all the elements are placed in their exact positions. The bed, side tables, armchair, and the TV unit are retained exactly from the floor plan. You can then work over it and add curtains, human figures, and more accessories to bring them to life. In this workflow, we'll see how to place specific furniture pieces directly into your interior scenes. Let's start looking for some furniture items from the IKEA website. I've chosen a 3-seater sofa. Let's pick an armchair to add to the living room, a bookcase with books and accessories, a TV console unit. Let's also choose this pendant lamp to add to the design. We have this cool floor lamp, and let's also choose a carpet to add to the scene, and a coffee table over it. We have this empty space of an interior, and the best part about Nano Banana Pro is that we can add up to 12 images to populate the scene, so it makes it really helpful for interior designers to style a space and see the outcomes. Let's add the empty living room, and along with that, we can add all the reference images of furniture pieces that we've selected. Here's the prompt that we'll be using. Turn this empty space into a living room, incorporating all the furniture images attached, spatial logic and planning, a herringbone flooring, ceiling mounted LED lights, tall indoor artificial plants, wall painting and frames, sofas facing the TV console, add a TV on the console itself, skirting for the walls, bookshelves to have decor. Make the scene feel lively and warm. The aspect ratio can be 16:9 with a 2K resolution, and let's click run. There we have the result. All the elements that were given are seamlessly updated in the rendering. If you want to change specific elements, you can simply rerun the prompt, and for better accuracy, you can also provide a layout plan to help AI place the furniture in specific layout. In this workflow, we'll see how to turn a single furniture image into a technical CAD drawing. Let's use this image of a table and try creating a technical drawing set showcasing the design. All we have to do is to just add the image into Google AI Studio. The prompt is to create a clean technical drawing sheet of this design in front, side, top and exploded views, black and white drawing on a white background. Follow the exact design from the image provided. Choose your aspect ratio and your resolution, and let's click run. And there we have a technical drawing sheet of the design with text, dimensions and labels. I wouldn't trust the dimensions of this drawing because here you can see that the top is 1000 mm but the bottom is mentioned as 1300 mm. So you need to be careful while using these technical drawings. But this can serve as a great way for reference to provide to your contractors or interns to help understand the drawing. And there's a way to even turn this into an actual CAD workable drawing. Just download the image, head over to this platform called Convertico and upload the drawing that we have. Make sure it's in JPEG to DXF and click Convert. This will produce a clean and an editable CAD file. You can edit the text and dimensions and replace them without having to start from scratch. What normally takes multiple render iterations can now be done instantly with AI to change colors, fabrics, and patterns of furniture. Let's say we have a furniture image of a sofa such as this and you want to change the main fabric. Let's use this as the reference pattern. All we have to do is to add the image of the sofa and the pattern and ask the platform to change the sofa fabric in image 1 to the fabric texture in image 2. Scale the texture accordingly. The aspect ratio can be in auto. Choose your resolution and click run. And the new pattern has been updated seamlessly across the furniture. It also follows the exact shape of the furniture with these bends and creases. This technique also works extremely well with striped patterns. Just add the pattern in the same chat and ask to change to this pattern and click run. And the stripe pattern has been seamlessly updated on the sofa. What if you want to change the stripes to run horizontally? That can be done as well. Just ask to make the pattern lines in the opposite direction from left to right, and this will give us the updated design. And what if you have an image of a sofa and you want to extract the pattern of this seamlessly? Just add the image and ask the platform to create a seamless pattern of the fabric in the sofa. Keep the details exactly the same. This will create a seamless texture pattern that you can use across your projects. You can use any rendered interior image and turn it into a stunning mood board in seconds. Let's use this image of a dark themed bathroom and try producing a mood board of the same. Just add the image on the chat and ask the platform to create a flat lay mood board of the materials and elements used in this design with samples of materials, tiles and accessories. Choose an aspect ratio that you prefer and a resolution and click run. This has created a seamless flat lay texture and all the elements used in the design appear as samples. This can really enhance your interior presentation. At the same time, if you want a graphical style of presentation, all you have to do is to just specify the style. This now produces the same in a graphical style of presentations that you can add into PPTs. So those are some really practical and underrated workflows for interior design. Make sure to check out the AI Visualization Mastery course from the upload link in the description. Let me know in the comments which of these workflows you found the most interesting. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video to be helpful and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.